everyone, it's Maureen. Welcome back to my channel. We got a large hoop right here for a change and a red lipstick matching our nails. Today we are going to be unboxing the folio for iPad Pro 11-inch 2020 by Laut. I've been working with Laut for 2 years already. It's very successful every time we collaborate. I love their products. I'm so happy that I'm collaborating with them with a new iPad Pro 2020. I think they sent me 2 of the folios and I'm so excited. I already have unboxed my, what do you call this? The pink sand, the Apple Smart Folio for the iPad Pro 11-inch 2020, and I love it. But I like to have an alternate. This Smart Folio will get dirty easily, so I think another color would be perfect if I travel, but we'll see if I'm gonna give up the pink sand. So Laut is headquartered in Hamburg, Germany, with other offices in Hong Kong and USA, and I think this package came from Hong Kong. Just informing you about it. The products that I'm going to show to you today will be down in the description box too. So yeah, again, easy for you to find. So without further ado, here is the unboxing of the Laut Folio for iPad Pro 11-inch 2020. Going to be like this so that you're not gonna see my address. Already have disinfected this. I see it. Focus me, please. Right here. Okay, let me hand sanitize. And I'm going to show you the first one that I'm gonna pick. This is the Laut in-flight folio. We're gonna start checking this out and taking off the plastic and everything and unboxing it and enjoying it. It's just like that. Simple. It's packaged really well. Informations about the folio. So it says right here. Am I a British now? So you have to lift that part. So let's do it. I'm glad I don't have an acrylic nail right now. Oh!
So you have to lift that part.
I gotta lift this part and open. Here it is. As you can see, it looks like a notebook. And then there we have a styrofoam. So let's put this away. They have like a case right there, actually connected on this fabric. So if you can see that. So it looks really nice. This is natural lighting, guys. The in-flight folio is made from a unique flecked fabric and with faux leather trim. The in-flight folio is slim, lightweight, and super portable, making it the perfect travel companion. I don't think it will get dirty because it's dark anyways and it's gray, like kind of spots and stuff. And this one right here on the side too is faux leather, and plus it has a hard polycarbonate casing. This one right here, there are ways that you could use it. I think this is the view and this is the work position. Let us try this on our iPad Pro 11-inch 2020. I don't know why I say that all the time. First time that I'm gonna take it off from my pink sand. Pink sand, stay. Here's my iPad Pro. If you have not seen my unboxing on this iPad and my Apple Pencil, I will link the video right here. It's all secured. Oh, it looks like a notebook. The camera has a high lip, as you can see. show you on this side right there. And then guys, look at that fabric. It's so beautiful. I really love it. Right at the top of the folio, there is a uncovered area. And this is the bottom. It kinda is high right here, so that if it bumps on the case, not on the iPad. If you are a college student, this would be perfect for you. I'm not anymore. Really decent looking, or if you are at the airport, they will think that you're a college student. They think that you're holding a friggin' notebook, but it's not. So this covering right here, you won't have a problem pressing this with these corner right here covered. I am left-handed, so I touch it right here, but if you're right-handed, it's not on the way. Oh, the top, easy to press. I love it. So now let me try the Apple Pencil in here. Voila! It fits perfectly in there. Oh, but you know what? I don't trust this when traveling. I know magnets will get magnetized. I don't know what I'm thinking right now. I just don't trust it. You will easily bump this one and you'll lose this pencil. You just gotta be careful and don't carry this alone with this Apple Pencil outside. Again, you might lose this. College students, get this! Again, this is the front. There is a Laut brand in there. So this in-flight folio from Laut is ultra slim and lightweight. It has a flecked fabric. It's compatible with the second generation Apple Pencil, charged in sync. It has a hard back protection. It has a 2 stand position, which is the view position and the work position. It has a auto on and off cover, a easy snap on and off, and this is compatible with the iPad Pro 11-inch 2020. My reaction, I love it. For college students, even for me, when I travel, I'm really gonna use this. More affordable than the Smart Folio by Apple. Let's check out the second folio. So this is the Prestige Folio for iPad Pro 11-inch 2020. Let's take a moment to appreciate how easy this is to unbox. And then there's the product. You don't have to struggle breaking this friggin' packaging. This one right here is thicker than the in-flight. It has 2 different colors. This indigo and the other one is black. I don't know if you can see the true color right there, again with the natural lighting. And it has a soft material inside. Just like the in-flight, it is also like this, like a casing. Oh, it's kind of flexible. And the casing looks so heavy duty. Oh wait, this looks like for the Apple Pencil. Yes! Yes! Awesome, guys. Okay, I love this! You know what is very interesting with this case? There is a Apple Pencil storage right in here. And in here, there are weird formations. Do you know what that is in there? We will find out. Let's close it. There's the camera. And I'll show you the other angle too. All around is covered. Buttons right there, they are very soft. And this button right here too. High lip camera. Let's try our Apple Pencil. I have a change of heart. Instead of the in-flight, I think this Prestige Folio can be the best folio for traveling. You can actually keep the Apple Pencil inside. There is a storage area right here. Look at that. And it will keep your Apple Pencil safe when you're carrying it. You don't have to worry dropping the Apple Pencil when you're traveling. So that's why I'm thinking this is the best for traveling instead of the in-flight. You can easily grab the Apple Pencil because there is an area right there that you could fit your fingers and then flick it, and then there you go. You got your Apple Pencil. Faux leather. This is the back. It is a soft thermoplastic polyurethane. It has a metallic logo. Apple Pencil compatible charge in sync. Apple Pencil built-in storage. There is 2 stand positions, the work and view positions, a auto on and off cover. So both of these folios are compatible with a iPad Pro 2018. Prestige is $5 more than the in-flight folio, but it's $5, so it's nothing compared to the $79 from Apple. I love both of these. I'm so glad that I own both of these. Yeah. I will use this every friggin' day. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me and checking out the Laut Prestige and in-flight folio for iPad Pro 11-inch 2020. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!